Namaste and welcome to Panchkosh. In my last video, I explained you the 12 asanas of Surya Namaskar. In today's session, we are going to have a sun salutation flow. I told you about the benefits and the contraindication of sun salutation. In addition to that, I just want to tell you the right timing, at what time you should do the sun salutation. So, the morning time is the best time to do the sun salutation when the sun is rising. You must have heard about the happy hormones like serotonin, dopamine, oxytocin, etc. But do you know that while the sun is rising, the level of serotonin in your body just increases, and it's called as a happy hormone. So if you also want to be happy in your life, then start doing sun salutation from today itself. So get on your mat and let's start the sun salutation. So we'll be standing a foot back on our mat like this. We'll be standing in equal standing pose where the pressure is on both our legs like this. Shoulders rolled back and spine should always be straight like this. Now from here we'll come in prayer pose. So we'll keep the thumb to our chest and we'll be looking in front. We'll inhale and exhale. Now from here, take a deep inhale and raise your hands up in Hasta Uttanasana. Now exhale and bend forward like this in Padhastasana. Now again inhale and take your right leg back and put your knee down and come in equestrian or Ashwasanchalanasana like this. Now from here put your palms back to the mat, tuck your right toe and come in mountain pose like this while exhaling. Now from here take a inhale, exhale and put your knees, chest and chin down in Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale and come in Bhujangasana. Drop your head at the back. Now again tuck your toes from here to get into mountain pose. Exhale. Now again take your right leg back in between your hands. Put your knee down and come in Ashwasanchalanasana while inhaling. Again put your hands back to the mat. Tuck your toe. Exhale and come in Hasta Padasana. Now from here inhale and arch back. Exhale and Pranamasana. This is half of the set. We'll be doing the remaining half of the set with our left leg. So again inhale and exhale in Pranam pose. Now take a deep inhale and arch back. Exhale and bend forward. Now take your left leg back to your mat. Drop your knee. You can stay here or come in proper Ashwasanchalanasana. Now again tuck your toe of your left leg. Exhale and come in Parvatasana. Now your knee, chest, chin down. Exhale. Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale and Bhujangasana. Drop your shoulders down. Look up. Now tuck your toes again. Exhale and come in Parvatasana or mountain pose. Now Inhale and take your left leg in between your hands in Ashwasanchalanasana. Exhale and take your right leg back to your left leg. Exhale in Hastapadasana. Inhale and arch back. Exhale and pranam pose. So this is the one set. Now we'll do again the same one more set. So I'll be taking the name and the breathing practice what you need to do. So we'll do it like this. Pranam pose, inhale and exhale. Inhale and arch back. Exhale and bend forward. Inhale and take your right leg back. Drop your knee down. Ashwasanchalanasana. Put your hands down. Exhale and Parvatasana. Inhale and exhale and come in Ashtanga Namaskar. Now inhale and come in Bhujangasana. Exhale in Parvatasana. Inhale and take your right leg in between your hands and come in Ashwasanchalanasana. Put your hands to the mat and tuck your left toe. Now exhale and come in Hastapadasana. Inhale and arch back. Exhale and Namaskar pose. We'll do, this is half of the set, so we'll do the remaining half of the set with our left leg. So again, prayer pose, inhale and exhale. Inhale and arch back. Exhale and bend forward. Inhale and Ashwasanchalanasana with your left leg. Exhale and Parvatasana. Inhale and exhale and come in Ashtanga Namaskar. Put your knee, chest, chin down. Inhale and Bhujangasana. Exhale and again come in Parvatasana. Now inhale and take your left leg back in between your hands. Drop your right knee and come in Ashwasanchalanasana. Now from here put your hands back, tuck your toe and come in Hastapadasana. Exhale. Inhale and arch back. Exhale and Namaskar pose. So we did 2 rounds of sun salutation. But remember, how much can you do? Yes, you can do 12 sets of Surya Namaskar. At times we hear from many people saying that we can do like 50 rounds of sun salutation or 100 rounds of salutation. But it's not good for your body because it takes into the whole organs of your body. So it's good if you stick to the 12 rounds, which means 24 times sun salutation. So I hope you did sun salutation with me today and you enjoyed it while doing. And if you liked today's videos, then please do like, share and subscribe. And don't forget, in the next video we'll be doing again the sun salutation, but this time little bit spiritual. So we'll be doing it with the enchanting of mantras. That is also one very effective way of doing any sun salutation. So stay tuned for the upcoming video, and till then be happy and stay fit. Namaste.